Hey there! Are you ready to take your food and beverage business to the next level? Growth means new opportunities, but it also comes with new challenges. Let's talk about how food safety management systems help you scale your food business safely and sustainably. As your business grows, ensuring consistent product quality and protecting your customers become critical. That's where food safety management systems come in. These systems create a strong framework to make sure every product leaving your facility is safe, compliant with regulations, and meets your customers' expectations. Without a solid food safety system, risks like contamination, mislabeling, or even product recalls can threaten your brand and your bottom line. Scaling your business means introducing new products, equipment, or processes, each bringing new risks. Food safety management systems keeps you in control, preventing costly issues before they happen. Plus, regulatory bodies expect businesses like yours to follow strict safety standards. A proactive approach ensures you stay compliant, meet retailer demands, and build trust with your customers. Now, let's break down the essentials of a food safety system, especially for small to medium-sized businesses. Here are 3 key components you can implement right away. Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points, HACCP. HACCP helps you identify, assess, and control hazards in your production process, focusing on prevention rather than reaction. Good Manufacturing Practices, GMPs. GMPs are all about maintaining hygiene, sanitation, and facility upkeep, keeping your operations running smoothly and contamination-free. Standard Operating Procedures, SOPs. SOPs give clear, step-by-step instructions for maintaining food safety and quality. They ensure consistency across your team, even as you grow. You might be thinking, food safety management systems sounds too expensive or too complicated for my small business. But that's a misconception. Let's clear it up. Food safety systems are too expensive. The reality is, investing in a food safety management system now saves you from much costlier issues like product recalls or losing customer trust. Managing food safety is too time-consuming. Start small. Basic HACCP principles and GMPs can fit any budget or business size. As your business grows, your system can evolve with it. I've never had food safety issues, so I don't need food safety management system. Scaling introduces new risks. Food safety management system isn't just for fixing problems, it's about preventing them and securing the future of your business. Remember, a food safety management is a safeguard. It ensures that as your business grows, your commitment to safety, quality, and customer satisfaction grows with it. Ready to scale safely and sustainably? Start your food safety journey today.